Lake Wyaralong. Just come down and check out the water. Look, really fantastic access to the water here. Basically you can drop a kayak in absolutely anywhere. Plenty of ducks hanging around, as you can see. Got nice sandy shores. It's not soggy underfoot, so it's very nice to get in here. Completely new place to me, never been here before. Really great place. Great access to the lake. It's all netted off in many areas, so swimming is perfectly fine. It's a whole mess of mountain bike trails and walking trails that are accessible to everyone. So there's plenty to do here. Great place to go for a bike, have a paddle, swimming, walking. Quite picturesque as well, as you can see. Really nice looking place. Pulled into the western access. There's a great little shaded area there. Used to be a campsite. Wiki Camps actually says the area is closed, but I can't see anybody in there, and I can't see any reason why you couldn't camp there. And there's access from here to the top end of the mountain bike trails. There are mountain bike trails that go for there's one shoreline trail that actually goes 25 k's from here all the way around the lake, right down to the main access area down the bottom. There's a hell of a lot of things to do around here. It's just an hour and 15 minutes away from Brisbane. Wyaralong Dam is a definite must-see and a must-do. There's plenty to see and do here, and it's a great place to relax as well. There's plenty of fishing, water sports, mountain biking, walking trails. It's a great place to visit, whether it's for a day trip or for a quick overnighter. It's a place I definitely recommend.